this is not a particular atom. It is happening in a molecule. You know, you all have read about the bonding, chemical bonding in class 9. Now, in chemical bonding, in a covalent bond, a shared pair of electron. There's a shared pair of electron. Suppose hydrogen has 1 electron and this chlorine has 7 electrons. Now, when they join and form HCl, then there is a shared pair. These 2 electrons are shared, means hydrogen 1 electron and chlorine's 1 electron is shared. But we see that this shared pair of electron is more towards chlorine. Means hydrogen's electron is also drawn towards chlorine. Now, why does this happen? This tendency of one atom in a molecule to draw the electron, shared pair of electron in a chemical bond towards itself. This is called electronegativity. So what is electronegativity? The tendency of an atom in a molecule to draw the shared pair of electron towards itself is called the electronegativity. Now, see the difference between electron affinity is also nuclear pull. Nucleus is pulling an electron in its last shell, valence shell. Electronegativity also depends on the nuclear pull. But the difference is that here this is a complete transfer of electron and the electron enters the last shell. In electron affinity, the extra electron enters the last shell. But this is just a shifting of electron towards the more electronegative atom. It is not completely transferred. It is shifting of a shared pair of electron towards the more electronegative atom. So electronegativity, what if we define electronegativity, what do we say? The definition of electronegativity. It is the tendency of an atom in a molecule. HCl is the molecule and Cl is the atom. So it is the tendency of the atom in the molecule to draw a shared pair of electron towards itself. That is called electronegativity. Again, electronegativity is a dimensionless property and various scales are there for accounting this. We will see what are the factors that affect electronegativity. Again, atomic size. Smaller the size, more is the electronegativity. A small atom will be able to, the valence electron will be, valency shell will be very close to the nucleus. So it will be able to draw the electrons with all its might. So atomic size. As atomic size increases, electronegativity will decrease. Atomic size increases, electronegativity decreases. Nuclear charge. Next factor is nuclear charge. Nuclear charge increases, nucleus is becoming more and more powerful, so it will be able to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. In this molecule, what is pulling that pair of electrons towards itself? Shared pair of electron in the bond is being pulled by what? Pulled by the nucleus of the electronegative element. So as the nucleus becomes powerful, as the nuclear charge increases, electronegativity also increases. Now we see the trend across a period. What happens across a period?